Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Unturned with friends. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First of all, you have to simply go to your library in your stream account and simply search for Unturned dedicated server and simply click on this launch button. So this is about a 2 gig file, so make sure to download this. And this will take a few seconds to load up your server. And once you're done, you have to simply type shutdown, or this will take a few seconds to load up all of these files. Once you are done, you just have to type shutdown. And hit enter, and this will close this program. Now here what you have to do is to simply right click on that and go for the manage and go for this browse local files, and this will take you to their server where your servers are located, and simply double tap and go for default, and you have to go for server again. And here, as you can see, these commands, you have to open this with notepad. Now what you have to do here is simply type name and enter spacebar and type the name of your server, whatever it is. So I'm just typing a random name, and now hit enter one time, and you have to go for map and enter any one of your favorite maps. So once you're done with that, you have to simply save your notepad, simply cross that and simply click on save. So now once you're done, you can simply click on launch again, and this will again load up all the servers. And once you are done with that, now you can simply click on play button and go to your maps and then select particular map, and after that you can add your friends in there. So that's how basically you can play with your friends. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.